Hi there, 8th graders. Hope you had a great Thanksgiving. And for those of you who were able to take a little break, take a break. And for those of you who needed to catch up, I hope you had that opportunity as well. So here we are going into week 14 and only a couple more weeks left in this semester. So please make sure everyone needs to be all caught up and ready to go for the end of the semester. Let me know if you have any questions. And of course, as we go in, make sure you've checked your grade book, look for any feedback on assignments from me. Any questions about the class can almost always be answered in the Start Here folder. If you click in there, going in there. And then, of course, we are in Unit 2. And as I mentioned, week 14 here, called Compromising Compromises. And as you know, the title of our Unit 2 has been Expansion, Reform, and Compromise. So we've talked a lot about expansion of the United States, going back to Jefferson and looking at the Louisiana Purchase, War of 1812, and other wars like the Texas and Mexico, and how this part of U.S. history was quite a bit about expanding. Reform, we talked about lots of different types of reform, not just around abolition, but also women's rights and education reform and ideas like that. But we haven't really talked a whole lot about compromise, which is the third word here in our unit title. Expansion, reform, and compromise. So this week we're really going to dig into the compromises. It wasn't like the Civil War came about and was a big surprise. I mean, there was this huge division over slavery in our country, and it's not like people weren't trying to make compromises. In the Constitution, they did the 3/5 compromise, and there were other compromises moving forward as the North and the South, the East and the West, all tried to prevent the Civil War from happening. But eventually it did, which we'll get to next semester. But what we are going to look at are what are some of the compromises that people did try to deal with before the Civil War. So, that should say week 14 quiz, compromises quiz. So I did move the quiz up here to day 1. You will be able to take it once. Please take it before you get going on the rest of it. And then later in the week, I will move that to day 5. And you can take it again, get 100%, and all is good. We also have a discussion. As I said, it should say week 14 discussion. And then other various readings and videos to go through as we talk about compromising compromises this week. Get caught up. We're almost done with the semester. Hope everyone did get that chance over Thanksgiving. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to answer those for you. And with that, I hope you have a great week. I'll see some of you soon. And take care. Thanks.